3, question number 3rd, 6th part. 5 years hence. Hence means after. After 5 years, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago. Ago means previous. Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present age? What are their present age? So you will assume let present age of Jacob is equal to x years. Whatever you want to find, that you assume. And present age of his son. Son is also there, so you have to take present age of son y years, if suppose you are taking like this. How to solve? Now after 5 years, after 5 years, Jacob's age will be x plus 5 years, because present age is x. After 5 years its age will be x plus 5 years, and Jacob's son age will be, because presently it is y years, so it will be y plus 5 years. So up to there, after that it is written that the age of Jacob will be 3 times. The age of Jacob will be 3 times. So according to question, age of Jacob is x plus 5. Is means you will put equal to, and times is there, so you will put 3 times. So 3 into y plus 5. Now x plus 5 is equal to, you will solve 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 5, 15. So x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. So x minus 3y is equal to 10. Up to here you note down, then I will rub and solve further. Now 5 years ago, what will be the age of Jacob's? 5 years ago, age of Jacob will be, because now presently it is x, so 5 years ago it will be x minus 5 years. Now age of his son, 5 years ago it will be y minus 5 years. Now according to question, it is given that 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 7 times. So x minus 5 is equal to, again 7 times is there, so 7 into y minus 5. Solve it. X minus 5 is equal to 7 by minus 35. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5 equal to will be minus 30. So this is the second equation. X minus 7y is equal to minus 30. First equation is x minus 3y is equal to 10. Now you got 2 equations. This is first, this is second, and in the question it is written that you have to solve by substitution method. So you can't solve by any other method, you have to use substitution method. Up to here you note down, then I will rub and do further. Now equation first you got x minus 3y is equal to 10, and second is x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Now you have to solve by substitution method. So from equation 1, x is equal to 10 plus 3y will come, because minus 3y this side it will go that side, it will become plus 3y. Putting x is equal to 10 plus 3y in equation second, we get, in equation second we will put x is equal to 10 plus 3y. You will get 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30, which gives 10 plus 3y minus 7y. One is in plus, one is in minus, so you will subtract and sign of bigger will come. So minus 4y is equal to minus 30, which gives 10 will go that side, minus 4y is equal to minus 30 plus 10, so here it will become minus 10. So minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Y will be minus 40 over minus 4, that is 10. Y value came 10. Now you want x value, so put y is equal to 10 in equation 1. If you will put in equation 1 and solve, you can put in second also, any one you can put. You will get x minus 30 is equal to 10. So x will come 10 plus 30, that is 40. 40. Now x came 40, y came 10. Now that means x years is Jacob's age. So Jacob's age will be 40 years, because x is 40 and Jacob's you assumed for x, therefore Jacob's age will be 40 years, and Jacob's son age will be 10 years, because y came 10 and Jacob's son's age you assumed y years, though Jacob's son age will come 10 years. Thank you.